If you want to know how to use Preply as a student, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, sign up with your new account, okay? Using your manual email and then password, or using Facebook, or using Google. So after you sign up, set your goals. Fill in the details about what you want to learn, such as the language, subject, and skill, and your preferred learning style and schedule. You can go ahead to your messages right here if you want. If you changed your mind, and click your avatar icon at the top right, and you can change the language from here. The app language, this is for the app language if you didn't like the language for your app and facing difficulties. As for finding tutors that speak different languages, or if you change your mind and want to learn different language, just click the English at the top left, and you can just choose the language that you want to learn or you aspire to learn. So I'm gonna choose, for example, Turkish, right? And here I'm gonna find the tutors, right? You can browse tutors from the basically from the search right here. Preply will recommend tutors based on your preferences. You can filter by price, expertise, availability, and reviews. You can see right here, sort by relevance or the price lower, okay? And book a free or book a trial lesson. Go ahead to any tutor, right? And by trial lesson, choose a tutor and book a trial session to assess if their teaching style fits your needs. And lastly, learn and preview. After each lesson, you can rate your tutor and provide feedback. Use the platform's tools like video chat and notes to enhance your learning experience. That's it. You can schedule lessons at your convenience and improve your skills using your skills through personalized instructions. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.